Hey everyone, I'm Bryan with Xact I.T and Cybersecurity. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into how hackers are changing their tactics to steal data faster than ever and why it matters to you, even if you're not a tech expert. Imagine someone sneaking into your house and taking your most valuable belongings in just a short time. That's pretty much what's happening in the cyber world. Once a hacker gets into a network, they spend about 48 minutes finding the important stuff. In less than an hour, they're already picking out the treasures, like your sensitive personal or business data. And here's the crazy part. After they find your data, some hackers can grab it and have it out of your system in just 4 hours and 29 minutes. That's like someone breaking in, grabbing your secret recipes, and leaving before you even notice something's wrong. It leaves almost no time for defenders to catch them. Now, when you hear about ransomware, where hackers lock up your data and demand money, you might think that's their main goal. But in reality, 80% of these attacks are all about stealing data quickly. Only about 20% actually end up encrypting your files. Attackers know that they can make more money if they simply grab the data and get out fast. Another trick they use is moving the stolen data to well-known cloud services like Google Drive or Amazon S3. Since these are trusted sites, their bad actions can sometimes fly under the radar. Plus, around 85% of breaches happen because hackers get hold of service accounts, kind of like getting a spare key to your house, allowing them to sneak around without being noticed. And nearly half of all intrusions start through external remote services like VPNs, making it even trickier to catch them in the act. But here's where things get even more concerning. While you might have heard about hackers demanding ransom payments, there's another huge moneymaker for them. They sell your stolen data on the dark web. And let me tell you, not all data is created equal. For example, healthcare data is incredibly valuable. Medical records can sell for anywhere between $250 to $1,000 each. That's a lot compared to stolen credit card information, which might only go for about $1 to $30 per card. Why is that? Well, your medical records contain a wealth of unchangeable information, your medical history, insurance details, personal info, and once that data is stolen, it's gold to cybercriminals. Unlike credit cards that can be canceled, your medical record stays the same and can be sold over and over again to different buyers. Now, before we move on, I want to let you know that if you're a business looking to strengthen your cybersecurity, check out the links in the description below. We've partnered with some great resources that can help you start your journey to protect your data from these advanced cybercriminals. So, to recap what we've covered today, hackers are getting into networks fast, taking just 48 minutes to find critical assets. And they're even quicker at stealing that data, sometimes in just over 4 hours. Most ransomware attacks focus on stealing data rather than locking it up, and hackers often hide their tracks by moving data to trusted cloud storage. Compromised service accounts and external remote services like VPNs make it easier for them to slip in unnoticed. And the big takeaway? The stolen data, especially healthcare data, is sold repeatedly on the dark web for high prices, making these attacks extremely lucrative. The solutions aren't simple, but protecting your data starts with awareness and taking proactive steps to secure your networks. Make sure to check out the description for links to resources and tools that can help you beef up your cybersecurity defenses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more straightforward cyber updates and leave your questions or comments down below. I'm Bryan with Xact I.T and Cybersecurity. Stay safe out there.